11. We're going to begin Module 11 today on page 266 in your math workbook. And our focus in Module 11 is fractions, comparing fractions, looking at them, how to write fractions, and that's what we're going to be looking at in this module. So let's begin with Are You Ready? Now in this video, at this point, you should have already completed Are You Ready? Are You Ready on your own? And now you're checking it. So if you haven't done that, you're going to need to pause the video, complete this work, and then come back and look at your answers. So in Are You Ready? All of the skills that we are going to be focused on, these prior concepts and skills, are going to be needed in this module. So you're going to revisit or see these skills again as we go through Module 11. So let's get started. Part of a whole. Find the fraction of the whole that is shaded. So let's just walk through each part together. There are blank equal parts. So they want us to use this object or this shape, and we see that there are 4 equal parts. There are blank shaded parts. There are 2 shaded parts. So 2 out of 4 equal parts are shaded. The fraction of the whole that is shaded is 2/4. Okay, pretty simple there. Name the shaded part. Write a fraction to name the shaded part of the whole. So this is our whole shape. We want to create a fraction that shows the part that is shaded. All right, so let's first look how many whole or equal parts that we have in the whole shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is going to be our bottom number in our fraction. We'll talk about what those numbers are soon. And then how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the way that you would read that fraction is 5/8. All right, let's look at number 3. How many equal parts do we have in the whole shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them are shaded. So 5/6 is the fraction. All right, number 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and 1, 2, 3 of them are shaded. So the fraction is 3/4. All right, compare parts of a whole. Shade the fraction strips to show the fractions, then circle the greater fraction. All right, so now remember that bottom number is how many equal parts we have in the whole shape. So we have 2 equal parts, which we see in our picture, here and here. Now we want to shade in one of those equal parts. So if you shade in one of those equal parts, this would be 1/2. Okay, now let's look at the bottom one. Now we have 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to shade in one of those. So we've done the first step of our instructions. Then it wants us to circle the greater fraction. Look at which shape shows more area shaded in, and we can see that 1/2 is the greater fraction. All right, let's try number 6. Okay, we have 6 equal parts, as you can see in the picture, and we're going to shade in one of those. Okay, then we have 3 equal parts in the second shape, and we're going to shade in one of those parts. Now looking at your pictures, you're comparing these fractions, which one is the greater fraction? Which one has the most area shaded? And that would be 1/3. So all of these skills that we just looked at with Are You Ready are skills that we're going to revisit again in Module 11. So make sure that you've completed Are You Ready and that you understand it.